So there's many people who come to the office and they have chronic pain or they have bite issues that can cause facial pain. And so we have a number of options to alleviate that. One option is with an appliance to wear. Most of the time it's an appliance that someone wears when they sleep. We can provide an appliance that makes the bite comfortable. And once the bite is comfortable, the tension in the face goes away, the pain in the joints will go away as well. And so we have lots of different ways to address it. We have a lot of options to treat the patient from a comprehensive standpoint, involve multiple providers to alleviate their pain. Facial pain can be debilitating for people. And so we have options to really change people's lives to make them more comfortable.